Artificial intelligence is creating new ways to work online, and one platform that's received a lot of attention is Outlier AI. Some people use it to earn money by helping improve AI models, while others wonder if it's actually worth their time. So, is Outlier AI legitimate? And do you really need it in 2026? In this review, we'll explain what Outlier AI is, how it works, who it's designed for, its biggest advantages and disadvantages, and whether it's worth joining. Let's get started. First, what is Outlier AI? Outlier AI is a platform that connects freelancers with AI training projects. Instead of using AI to create content for you, Outlier pays qualified contributors to help improve artificial intelligence by completing tasks such as reviewing AI-generated responses, comparing answers, labeling data, writing prompts, solving technical problems, or evaluating the quality of AI outputs. The exact tasks you'll receive depend on your skills, education, language, and previous experience. After creating an account, you'll complete your profile and, in many cases, take one or more assessments to determine which projects you're qualified for. Once approved, you'll begin receiving invitations for available projects that match your qualifications. So, is Outlier AI legitimate? Yes. Outlier AI is a legitimate platform that works with companies developing artificial intelligence systems. Many contributors report receiving payments for completed projects, and the platform continues to expand into multiple countries and languages. However, it's important to understand that work is not always guaranteed. Project availability depends on client demand and your qualifications. One of the biggest advantages of Outlier AI is the potential earning opportunity. Some specialized projects pay significantly more than traditional survey or microtask websites, particularly for contributors with backgrounds in programming, mathematics, science, writing, education, or foreign languages. Another advantage is flexibility. Most projects can be completed remotely, allowing contributors to work from home and choose when they complete available tasks. Now, let's talk about the downsides. The biggest limitation is that not everyone will qualify for the same projects. Some users pass the registration process quickly, while others may spend time completing assessments before receiving their first assignment. Project availability can also vary. There may be periods where many tasks are available, followed by slower periods with fewer invitations. Because of this, Outlier AI shouldn't be considered guaranteed full-time employment. Instead, it's better viewed as freelance contract work, where opportunities depend on current business needs. What do real users think? Overall, reviews are mixed but generally positive. Many contributors appreciate the flexible schedule, competitive pay on certain projects, and the opportunity to work with cutting-edge AI technology. The most common complaints involve waiting for new projects, qualification exams, occasional project pauses, or account reviews before new work becomes available. These experiences are fairly common on platforms that provide contract-based AI training work. So, what's the final verdict? Is Outlier AI worth trying in 2026? Yes, especially if you have strong writing, analytical, technical, or language skills. The platform offers legitimate paid opportunities that are often more rewarding than traditional online microtask websites. Just remember that project availability isn't guaranteed, and your experience will depend on your qualifications and the current demand for contributors. If you're looking for flexible online work while helping improve the next generation of artificial intelligence, Outlier AI is definitely worth considering. If this review helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments if you've tried Outlier AI and what your experience has been.